Hi guys, I'll show you how to get a speed coal in Roblox. I'll show you how. Go to pool. Now you have the speed coal. Did you see right here? You have to click. Okay. Walk in tools before your walk speed will be fast. Okay. How to get a teddy bear and Mr. Dog. Oh, Leo's here. What's up, Leo? Okay, how to get a teddy bear. First, follow the way. Go to your area. And now you have a Mr. Dog and a teddy bear. I don't think where you are going, Leo. And now how to get a money bag. Did you see that kind of one? This is just a money bag. And now how to get 4 drinks. Follow way. And now there's a lot of drinks and this sauce. And now you have it. And now how to get a dance potion. But it's very easy to find when you went to the secret one. See, you found it. The walls makes you dance. And now how to get a monster dash potion. What is that? What is that? Oh, it is a potion. Okay. But it's up there. Okay. And now you have it. That will make the monster dance song. That will make you dance. Okay, how to get the Super Bowl and the table chair. Go to launching area. Go to hazard zone, and there's have a Super Bowl. Click go back and go back to car area and see where's the gray one that will be so hidden. Did you see right here? The chair when if you click that will add more chair. Oh Leo, you're right here. What are you doing? And now how to get a banana peel. Follow away. And how to get a grape hook. This one must be honey. Woo! Oh yes, I almost fell down. Okay. And now you have it. You if you touch a banana peel, you would just slip down. Bro, what is dog doing there? Go out of the way. And now how to get a draw? You have to go to underwater and there's down there. And now how to get a wheelchair? See the truss over there? They will make a wheelchair giver low. Okay. There's a wheelchair giver. That will make a funny noise sounds. Do you hear it? Okay. And now how to get bomb? I don't know where the part's going longer to get bombies. Is that corner? That corner. Well, yes. Let me click the bomb. Bro, I cannot click the bomb. Okay. If you click that bomb, you have to stay away before it explodes. Hello. Why are you just following me? And now how to get a nuke? Did you see that part over there? There must be a nuke. If you click the nuke red part, that will be explodes. Hear it? That will make explode sounds. Yo, Leo, why is that my head? Yo, Mr. Noob, what are you doing? Okay. How to get a gravity gun. Have you seen that video about how to get a gravity gun in Big Update? Sit on a chair and press some buttons. Yo, what are you doing? Are you just chasing the dude with a chair? Okay. Jump. If you click the yellow one, that will make Mr. Ragdoll. Oh! Come back here! Bruh. Another one. What? Why is that the word? Here we go. You have to reach the top when I let go of Mr. Ragdoll. Before when I reach the part. Have you seen this video before? Why is doing with a rocket launcher now? I'm just trying to get a gravity gun, Leo. Okay. So we're almost there. Yo, that's Mr. Ragdoll. Good. Okay. 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 Are you ready to let go? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay. If you click this gravity gun, that will make you very legendary. Oh, this bounce a little harder. 3, 2, 1. No bounce? That will make me funny. That will make it funny. Okay. This is the end of the video, and see you next time. Bye!